Constitution of India. Part 3. Fundamental Rights. General. Article 13. Laws inconsistent with, or in derogation of the fundamental rights. All laws in force, in the territory of India, immediately before the commencement of this Constitution, in so far as they are inconsistent with the provisions of this part, shall, to the extent of such inconsistency, be void. The state shall not make any law, which takes away, or abridges, the rights conferred by this part, and any law, made in contravention of this clause, shall, to the extent of the contravention, be void. In this article, unless the context otherwise requires, law includes any ordinance, order, bylaw, rule, regulation, notification, custom or usage having, in the territory of India, the force of law. Laws in force includes laws passed or made by a legislature or other competent authority, in the territory of India, before the commencement of this Constitution, and not previously repealed, notwithstanding that any such law, or any part thereof, may not be then in operation, either at all, or in particular areas. Nothing in this article shall apply to any amendment of this Constitution, made under Article 368.